Sump Pump Services in Marble Falls, Texas. Sump Pump Services in Marble Falls, Texas play an essential role in protecting our homes from rising groundwater and sudden heavy rain. At Complete Care Plumbing, Electric, and Air Conditioning, we provide reliable sump pump installation, repair, replacement, and maintenance to keep basements and crawl spaces dry throughout the year. A sump pump collects groundwater in a pit and automatically pumps it away from the home when the water level rises. When the system is working properly, it prevents moisture damage, mold growth, and flooding. But if the pump fails during a storm, water can build up quickly and cause serious damage to flooring, insulation, and the foundation. We handle all types of sump pump issues, from pumps that won't turn on, to units that run constantly, make loud grinding noises, or leave standing water in the pit. Our team inspects electrical components, float switches, impellers, and discharge lines to diagnose the problem and restore proper operation, and if the pump is old or beyond repair, we install dependable replacement units sized specifically for your home's drainage needs. To keep your system ready when storms hit, we also offer routine sump pump maintenance and annual inspections. Regular service helps prevent clogs, improves pump response time, and extends the life of the equipment. Whether you need emergency repair, a new installation, or ongoing maintenance, our team delivers fast, professional sump pump services you can count on. For dependable sump pump services in Marble Falls, call Complete Care Plumbing, Electric, and Air Conditioning at 325-240-6446.